how to make caption bubble on CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to do it. First step, after you open the CapCut, now make sure you create your caption. So now here is my caption. If I want to add the bubble effect on the caption, I'll just go and highlight all of the caption. After you highlight all of the caption, then you go to this option template. So there is two way you can do it. If you want, you can use the template, or if you want, you can go to the effect. So I'll start by the template. After you come to the template section, then scroll to down. If you scroll to down, there is different effect for the bubble option in the caption. So like this one. If you want, you can select this one. If you select this one, it will just add the bubble for you on your CapCut template. So like this one. If you don't want this one, you can go to scroll to down again. So scroll to down again. If you scroll to down, as you can see, here is another bubble. If you want, you can use this one. After you select it, now allow it to finish loading. After it finish loading, it will just add the bubble for you for your caption. But if you can't find the bubble style that you want to use for your caption under the template, you can go to this effect option. After you go to the effect section, so under the effect section, so here is, as you can see now, the style. So if you don't want this one, after you go to the effect section, you can just scroll to down again. If you scroll to down, so under the effect, there is this one. As you can see now, this one gives you some glow option. So as you can see now, like this one. So that's it, guys, on how to add bubble on caption in CapCut. So you can follow any of this method to add the bubble for you. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We meet in the next one. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below.